You want success. You dream about it. You even talk about it like it's already yours. But deep down, you know you haven't done what's necessary because there's one thing standing between you and the life you want. And until you do this, you'll never achieve success. Let me tell you the story of a man who learned this the hard way. Meet Alex. 18 years old, smart, talented, full of ambition. He had big dreams, millionaire by 25, live free, retire his mom. But every morning he did the same thing. Wake up late, check his phone, scroll, watch motivational videos. He told himself he was planning, but really he was procrastinating. Days turned into weeks, weeks turned into months. And by the end of the year, nothing changed. Then something happened. One night he was watching education videos instead of motivational. One line hit him like a punch to the face. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Alex paused the video. He stared at the screen, and for the first time, he saw the truth. He wasn't disciplined. He was addicted to the idea of success, but allergic to the pain it takes to get there. And that's the moment it changed. The next day, Alex didn't wake up at 5 a.m. He woke up at 11. He wasn't motivated, but took the first step and journaled about his goals and what it will take him to get there. The inputs it would require him to achieve his goals, and accepting that it was never pain versus pleasure. It was about the pain of regret. It's the pain of discipline. He made a decision. He was done being a slave to his emotions. He used a system instead of motivational videos. Workout, deep work, no phone in the morning. He gamified his life and turned his goals and tasks into quests. He completed all of them every single day. And when he didn't feel like doing the hard work, he did it anyway because he understood the truth. And over time, winning every day became effortless and natural for him, just like playing a video game. But this time he was playing the game of life. You'll never achieve success until you build self-discipline. And that's the lesson. Success isn't about motivation. It's not about fantasy goals, vision boards, or feeling good. It's about what you do when no one's watching. It's about doing the work even when it sucks. By the way, if you want to win in life as effortlessly as playing a video game, then watch this video.